meeting I was at last time, you know,
Out here? I
I
mean in
had a
Atlanta?
in Atlanta,
Yeah.
and the Mr. C was like, "Hey, that's for another class. Don't wait. Hold on, wait." So we knew we understood what was going on, and let's just just hold on for a second because
Okay.
I think our information is a little bit, But I love what they're doing. I
Okay.
love what they're doing.
Oh
Trying
yeah.
to get people in, signed up.
Let me get to this. Okay. Now this is a chart platform. This is the bait. You can go to. I sent out the video. It's in the back office. How to bring up a chart. How to bring it up. I
Okay.
got that. It's in the back office. But here,
I missed the website yesterday. I missed the web presentation from online.
oh, it was good. I got it. I got it taped. I got it taped. I put it up on my wall. But this is what's going on here. Um, this is here what we got bar charts. We're in the 1 hour chart. Each bar chart represents an hour. But we don't use bar charts. We use Chinese. I click that button right there. We use Chinese candles. That's what
Okay.
these are. The clear ones are when you think it's going. The white ones are when you think it's going to go down.
Okay.
So these are what they call the white ones bearish candles, bullish candles.
Okay.
Okay. So um, now if I go over here to charts, we trade. I go to time frame. I'm going to the day chart.
Okay.
I trade from the day chart and 4 hour chart. And that's the 4 hour chart. Now, what's significant with that is I do my entry when I make my trade by looking at the 15-minute chart or the 1 hour chart. This is why, because minute chart. Why that is because I get to see what's the best way to enter. It's like right now, this is
Okay.
moving up. This is moving up. I will get in. Oops. In this area. And what I'm trying to do is ride it down. Because it's going to hit resistance. That's the way I trade, from resistance to support. That's my resistance up here. Because this is where it's been up a couple of times. So a pending order right here at 0.7150. Right? And about 9 pips. Pips is what we say in the Forex instead of points that we say in the stock market. Pips movement. If you see this number,
Uh-huh.
as it moves to 07141, 0742, those are what we call pips. And don't pay attention to that last 5 number because that's a micro number. I don't pay attention to that number. The real number is 0.7141. Okay? Who's coming? I'm doing a training, bro. I'm doing a training. Forex training. Yeah. It's a personal, private training. Forex. Yeah. Whatever. That was Daryl. He said hi. So now, as it goes up to here, I put a pending order at 0.7150. Okay. Now, if you notice, this trade right here, we're losing, right? I've been in it for a couple of days. For some reason, I thought I put a stop loss in there where I should have been in profit. I should have been out of this trade. But I guess it didn't change. I thought I put it, see, it went down. This trade went down all the way down to here. Because remember, we're in the 15-minute chart. So it came down to here.
So you say you do 15 minutes and 30 minutes or an
15-minute and hour chart, I do my entry from.
Okay.
That's just my entry, when I actually make the trade. It's like right now, see this? I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. I would do a pending order. I would go to order,
Okay.
right? And I would click that execution button, instant execution,
Mm-hmm.
and put in my pending price at 01 7150. Okay, I don't know what happened. 71. Oh yeah, and then I would that's to be at a sell limit because I plan on it going down. Place order, boom. Now a pending order is right up under here. When it hits that price, for some reason put in 1750. There's the order right there. And when it hits that price, just walk away, go to sleep, whatever. Now, I'm done for the day. Hits my price. I'll look at it the next day or later on the day and see where I'm at. Boom. Now, so I'm going to go back to the 4-hour chart so I can show you something. Okay, you can see it better now. Let me make it bigger by clicking this button. Okay, now you can see it. You see where it hits 0.7150 here?
Mm-hmm.
And it almost hit it here. So you know that distance area. Probably won't make it up there. And it'll just drop. Now, when I put this, so if I'm looking at this is where I go. I'll put my resistance line up here. Support line. It basically is where was the lowest point. Then I'm looking at, okay, I got all this area. There's my resistance. There's my support. Now I'm looking for, has it touched? Now, yesterday I put it here. Right here. That's one area. Oh, you got a lot of activity in this area. I could have put it here, or I could have put it the line here. That probably would have been better, right here. So now you have the activity in this area. You know, so when you're trading, you want to know what area are you in, and you have this area. So when you're in the areas, your trading zones, where are you at? So now you know where you're at. Are you at the top or are you at the bottom?
Mm-hmm.
Where are you at? At the top or at the bottom?
At the top.
There you go. You're at the top. That's how you see it. The pattern. What is the pattern? You're looking at the pattern. I'm at the top of, I'm here. I'm up here. I know this is resistance. So I can put a pending order there because I know that's the trading zone. I'm at the top of it. I could put a pending order here, or I can put a pending order here. Or if I think it's going to come down, I can put a pending order here, coming up, or catch it here and let it come down. Okay? That's the areas I like to pretty much play in the middle. I like to play at the top of the resistance or top of support. So it's a very simple style of trading that I do when you're looking at the chart. So I'm going to clean this up.
So the top of the resistance and the bottom?
Yeah, it's support. Now let's look at US Japanese real quick. I'm going to go over here and bring it over chart window. What happened? Okay, there it is. Okay, this is US Japanese. So same thing. Now I'm going to turn to candlestick, right? And I'm looking at this chart. I'm saying, let me see, what am I going to do? I'm going to look at where am I'm going to figure out where I'm at. I take my horizontal line, double click it, so I can bring it down. I look at, here's my resistance. I'm on the hour chart right now. I'm doing it on the hour chart. I should really do it on the 4-hour or day chart, because that's what I do it on. Okay, so let me open that up more so we can see it better. So I'm looking at the US Japanese. I want to now I'm looking at it, right? So if that was on the hour chart where resistance was, so that's the real resistance. I would call this, when I say what's the difference between resistance and supply? You hear me say supply and demand. Supply is when it's way up. Demand is way down. This is demand. Now, here is a resistance. Well, how do you know? Okay. That's the top. That's when all the orders have been taken. People are taking orders. This is when you see all these right here are orders from the big boys. This is when I say, when are the big boys trading? And then that's why it drops. It went sideways and hit this resistance, went up twice. This is a new resistance. And then it came back down to support or demand. And then it's starting to go back up. So you said, where do we make a trade? We put it in an order here. We're not trying to trade here. It's trades. I'm going to put in a pending order here. I want it to come back down, then shoot up. Okay? So I would have got in right here. Because that was the new support. It's too late for me to get in the trade here. You know, it's pretty much going to go sideways in this area, but I want it to drop. So I'm at 111.65. So I'll put a pending order. I'll go to order. I'm going to click this arrow. Pending order at 111. 111 and more 65. Boom. Okay. Now I got to order in for 11. Now I got to order in. So I'm going to walk away. I got in 2 orders. 1 US Japanese. Now I'll get in about 5 of them. Right? I'll look at my charts. I'll see, do just what we just did. 5 different pairs. And then I'll walk away and see which one's going to hit. Right? And you walk back. You'll go home. I mean, you go to work, do what you do. You come back home and you'll be in 2 or 3 trades. So in this word, this is called set it and leave it. I'm not trying to look at a chart all day. I let the currency pair come to me. I do not chase the trade. It's like, you notice I don't chase women. I don't chase. I let them come to me. I put it out there. Okay, who's coming? So it's like, that's the same way. It's the same way I deal with the Forex. Because if you chase it, you're going to stress yourself out. So you let